Still hard at it, making progress. The panel's starting to go in, show you a couple of things, and then give you a quick update on the inside. This was something I didn't show you before, but we redid the front baggage compartment, re-insulated it, soundproofing, painted all the leather up, cleaned the carpets. So we got a nice looking front baggage compartment that nobody will see but me as I put the luggage in. And one other thing I didn't show you that we added, we put a new rotating beacon light. The old one looked like something out of a garage sale. So we put a new one in there. Anxious to see that when we get the battery in. It's supposed to be new LED lights, very bright. So looking forward to seeing that. And a quick shot of the tables where all the parts were. These were loaded up with parts for the last month. Starting to kind of get empty tables here as things get put back together. I think we're still probably looking at about a week before things get done. Have a little bit of stuff to do on the inside yet, and then we'll start doing running all the buttons and checking everything out, making sure it all works, and Caleb will get everything programmed and then up for our test flight. Getting anxious to get her up in the air. Let's take a quick look at Superman Caleb working on the panel.